think it came from somewhere in the kitchen, but I'm not positive that I'm right. All I know is the smoke alarm screaming at us all night. Didn't even know we were burning, but I could see the fear in your eyes. If we put up with it now, will we put up with it for the rest of our lives? I don't wanna let that happen. I don't wanna let that happen to us. I don't wanna let that happen. I don't wanna let that happen. I don't wanna let that happen to us. So tell me everything you misunderstood. I'll tell you everything about it I know. I don't know if I'll make it better, but I'll give it a go. 'Cause I believe that nobody meant no harm. Yeah, there's no need to go and call it a day. Take the batteries out of the smoke alarm, and we close our eyes and just walk away. I don't wanna let that happen. I don't wanna let that happen to us. I don't wanna let that happen. I don't wanna let that happen. I don't wanna let that happen to us. And we'll close our eyes and we'll walk away, and we'll close our eyes and we'll walk away, and we'll close our eyes and we'll walk away, and we'll close our eyes.